Hey, what's up? It's DCA Airsoft, and today I'm going to have a review of my G36K airsoft gun. And, well, here's the package it came in. And here's the gun. And the box said it shoots around 338, but I would say it's probably going around 345. And it has a foldable stock, which I have folded right now, that you can unfold by pulling up and coming out. And then it has a locking right here, so you can get it back like that. And it shoots 6mm BBs. It has some pretty nice sights, if you can see those. Hop up, it has adjustable hop up, and if you can see that cylinder thing right in there, you can twist it up or down for your locking. And it has a switch to full auto, it's a semi-auto, sorry, and full auto. And that was semi-auto, now here's full auto. Okay. It comes with an unjamming rod, a 200 BBs, a charger, and a battery, which I have in the gun right now, and the charger's inside. And it comes with this to cover the cap. And the magazine, it holds 470 rounds, and it's a high cap magazine. And you hardly ever run out in a battle, but the only bad thing is you have to twist every once in a while. And it comes with a few extra rails that you can put on. And that is about it, and I will give a test firing in a different video. Thank you for watching.